one of the oldest liberal justices on the Supreme Court, has made an announcement that has left conservatives disappointed. Despite her old age, Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg doesn't plan on retiring anytime soon, according to the Washington Examiner. Many have speculated that Justice Ginsburg's position would be one of many that President Trump might be finding candidates for in the future. Unfortunately, rumors that the aging justice will retire on her own volition in the near future seem to be incorrect. "As long as I can do the job full steam, I will do it," said the 84-year-old at an Equal Justice Works event on Friday. "I used to have an answer that worked for a lot of years," Justice Ginsburg said concerning a possible future retirement. "It was Justice Brandeis. When he was appointed he was the same age as I was, 60. And he stayed for 23 years, so I expect to stay at least as long. Well, now I've passed Brandeis, I've passed Justice Felix Frankfurter." Overall, Justice Ginsburg has served on the Supreme Court for 24 years and is currently the oldest justice serving in the position. Many liberals see her as an icon and representative of their views on the court and are hoping that she will stay for the full duration of the Trump presidency. Justice Ginsburg has been a vocal critic of the president as well, telling the New York Times in July 2016 that "I can't imagine what this place would be, I can't imagine what the country would be, with Donald Trump as our president. For the country, it could be 4 years. For the court, it could be, I don't even want to contemplate that," according to The Hill. Although the justice later apologized for the remarks, she revived the sentiment just recently in September, telling Charlie Rose of CBS News that sexism had a role in Trump's victory. "Do I think so? I have no doubt," answered Justice Ginsburg when asked whether sexism had a role in the election. "There are so many things. There's so many things that might have been decisive," she hedged. "But that was a major factor." President Trump had recently predicted that he would be able to appoint 4 new conservative judges to the Supreme Court in his first term, speculating that Justices Anthony Kennedy and Ruth Bader Ginsburg would be the first 2 to leave. Although this recent announcement from the 84-year-old might throw a wrench in the president's plans, there are many other liberal justices on the court who could leave soon. Judge Kennedy has expressed a desire to retire, and Sonia Sotomayor has suffered from type 1 diabetes since she was 7 years old. She acknowledges that "diabetes is a constant part of my life." Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg does not plan on retiring soon. Are you ready to have more conservative judges on the bench? For many Americans, the issue of Supreme Court nominations is of particular importance. According to an NBC_exit poll, 22% of voters in the 2016 election said it was the most important factor in their decision-making. Although Trump's first replacement of Justice Scalia with Justice Gorsuch, both conservatives did little to alter the balance on the court. If President Trump is able to appoint even one more conservative replacement for one of the liberal justices, conservatives across the nation will feel safe knowing that the Constitution will be protected for many years to come.